Today, I'm upcycling this vintage silk Fukuro obi into a cute tote bag that's perfect for adding a little uniqueness to your everyday style. This obi came from a bundle I received a while back. The colors are mainly silver and cream, with clouds and wave motifs and large colorful fans embroidered across the silk. This Fukuro obi is surprisingly lightweight and thin. There wasn't any obi-shing interfacing sandwiched between the front embroidery and the backing, which is unusual. I started out by washing the obi with detergent for delicate fabrics and hung it to dry indoors. I was really happy with how much brighter it looked and how soft the fabric felt after the wash. For this obi tote bag project, I referenced a popular tutorial video I found online. The link is in the description below. As usual, I didn't follow the instructions too closely and made a few changes along the way, like how I folded the base of the bag and skipping the long strap. Here I'm making the inner lining and adding pockets, and it's a thick quilting cotton. When I'm creating, I really enjoy exploring and experimenting with the materials. Rather than sticking to exact measurements, I like to listen to the fabric, its designs, colors, embroidery, shape, and patterns. I play with the idea first, and things naturally change along the way. That's the fun part of working with these materials. I kept the plain silk backing intact to make sewing the embroidered panels together easier. I didn't zigzag the edges of the embroidered pieces because I added a cotton lining and the loose threads from the embroidery weren't too bad. Here I'm ripping the seams of the leftover silk backing into strips for the handles. The width of the obi is perfect for splitting lengthwise into two and folding each strip into thirds. Then I sewed the edges of the handles, but leaving the ends open so I could attach them to the bag. I marked the center of the bag opening and spaced the handles about 5 inches apart. This method of attaching the lining to the outer bag isn't my usual method, but I followed the tutorial and it worked out well. Sewing through all the layers of the obi and the lining ended up being pretty thick for my machine, but it managed. The opening on the side of the lining was closed up at the end. After sewing around the top edges of the bag to finish, this is how the tote bag turned out. What do you think? I used the same obi for another project, and I'll be sharing that one soon. I hope you enjoy seeing how this upcycled obi tote bag came together. If you enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.